Hey folks, how's it going? Today we got that Caterpillar right over there. I think it's a D4, something like that. And we're going to install the NextGen Max system, which is MCX1 and TSI4 sensors. Those little black ones that normally went on the excavators. Yeah, sweet little system, quick and easy. The cables are thin. They're the CAN cables, so system goes on pretty quick and pretty easy. We're gonna have to fabricate a couple little things, but other than that, shouldn't be any problem. And you'll get to see the NextGen system. We'll test it out. We'll have to calibrate it, measure it up, calibrate it, and all that stuff. So you'll get to see it operate and all that. So, a little cold in North Carolina today. That is so cool. Hudson, North Carolina. All right, that's it. I'm gonna start welding now. We'll put the sensors on and just run all the sensors along this side. We'll keep it on one side for the NextGen and go right into the system. Real simple. And that's how TSI4 sensors go on. This is on the C-frame, and then you put this one on first. You come up and then use a 2-meter cable, stretch it out all the way because you got to cover it up with hose, right? So wherever it lines up over here, it's where you put the blade on. And these just screw down. The cover goes into that. And the hoses get clamped on like that. Real simple. just updating this. They have another D6 out here. Just they needed firmware and 3DMC updates. And their blade was slanted on the screen, so I straightened it for them. You go to calibration, the rotation calibration. It's just the extent. You're just recalibrating that sensor right there, and if it starts to look wonky on the screen, it's because that one's probably going bad. We're waiting to get that radio connected on the new one. For some reason, radio will not connect. We can connect to our rover and stuff, but can't connect to that one, so waiting on that. I figured I'd fix up this machine while I was here. 3DMC program on it. We want to make sure it automatically loads, and we want to make sure it has the correct update that I just put in it. This one I'm going to have to come and do some work to. They're coming into the track, and also they put the body sensor down here. Look how tight that is. So I'll probably end up moving that, bringing that cable, keeping it down here, and just bringing it down and up this way. That's another day though. Alright, 3DMC loaded, so it's going to take a couple minutes. I did factory resets, so there we go. Alright, so took a little bit long because, you know, factory reset, new firmware, got the 4.8 in there, was 4.7, check the auxiliary, good. They were complaining about dropping satellites, initialization. Basically, this goes red. So when that happens, one of two things: you either need new firmware, and this one you can't set the masking to. Let's see, sometimes you can go to advanced. Just make sure if you have other than GLONASS, make sure they're all checked. So you can't adjust this, or else we'd be able to get a couple more satellites out here. There's one more ring. Alright, so that's good. Go into view, check your about, and there's your new 3DMC 2021. This one is good to go. Alright, you're all set. It's got new firmware, 3DMC. Should do much better for you. Alright, machine is calibrated.